here. Smile. Okay, what is your name?
Sophia Darian Palsol.
How old are you, Sophia?
4 years old.
Okay, you face to your right like this. And smile. Look at the camera. Look at the camera, Sophia. Okay, face on the other side. And smile again on the camera. Look here. Okay, face front. Like this one. Okay, do you know how to sing?
Yes.
What do you like to sing?
I want to sing On the Wings of Love.
On the Wings of Love. Okay, sing now.
On the wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly. On the wings of love, on the wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly.
Okay, kapag sinabi, when you say action, pretend ka lang, you're drinking a milk. Okay? Don't put it in your mouth. Just in front of your mouth. That's it. And say, so yummy. Okay, action.
So yeah.
Okay, can you try again? I want to see that you're happy. Just pretend you're very happy. Okay, action. Drink. You drink the milk. Come on, you try again. So yummy. Can you show me your happy face? Sad. Angry. Surprise. Okay, smile, Sophia.